Kinder Surprise.
Make every drive an experience with the Nissan X-Trail, featuring Apple CarPlay. And when you finance with Nissan Future Value, get up to 3 years free service. Nissan, experience X-Trail.
Get your Woolies. Prices dropped on back-to-school favourites, like champagne leg ham sliced or shaved from the deli, dropped to just $19 a kilo. It's just another way to get your Woolies worth. The air inside your home can have unseen health risks. Introducing V-Breathe Tasman, a patented technology engineered to purify and detoxify your indoor air. Breathe better, cleaner air with V-Breathe.
Yeah,
it's value the Australian way at Coles with Coles Bomb Liquid Breakfast. It contains 11 essential vitamins and minerals, and it's just $6.60 for a 6-pack.
Now that's where I start the day.
Only at Coles.
My name is Arch, and I'm hooked on smart home technology. It started with my air. Soon I wanted smart everything. A MyPlace add-on turned my home into a smart home. Ask your builder to hook you up.
I hope you come and surrender.
We seek merely postponement.
Ha! Your forces are weak, and you expect me to wait?
Fair point, mate. It's just, we're still alive in the quarry over here.
Ha! You had that thing on the second leg?
Yeah, you just threw it in last minute.
Get on board. Sports Bet's
Yeah, that's the same body, mate.
Start your group, bet together, and share in the moment. Bet with mates, new from Sportsbet.
Lockdowns destroy
You had the thing in the
jobs.
second
They
leg.
break up families and cause
Yeah,
mental
threw it in
stress.
at the last minute.
Stop the lockdowns. Join the United Australia Party.
Four.
Authorised by Craig Kelly for the
Four
United Australia
winners,
Party,
4
Brisbane.
teams, 4 whatever. I don't know.
Welcome back. 4 people have been arrested and charged accused of scamming St George Bank out of almost $500,000. Raids were carried out on properties in Liverpool, Sutherland, Heckenberg and Kangaroo Point early this morning.
We will be alleging that they used some of the money that they obtained to purchase designer goods.
Police say former bank employee Sarah Daisley, who was charged with similar offences last year, would use customers' details to apply for loans on their behalf, leading to some of them getting a default on their credit ratings. Plans for a cycle path down the middle of Oxford Street have been scrapped. The plan has